Okay, my friend, remember, walk and roll, no sit.
No set.
Yeah. One,
Okay, let's go. Okay.
2, 3, walk. Walk, my friend, keep running, please, my friend. Fast, keep running.
Oh shit!
Keep running.
Ay!
Okay, sit down. Perfect.
Okay, tranquilo, okay? Oh shit! Ay!
You can drop your hand, you can record, you can...
It's recording now, right? Okay. Holy shit. Woof. Ay, tranquilo.
Like it?
Solo tranquilo, por favor.
Of course.
No, muy fuerte.
Of course.
Woof. This is crazy. Okay. ¿Cuántos años tienen en este? ¿Cuántos años tiene? How many years?
How many years flying? 15.
Phew.
Don't worry. Have a ride on a boat.
Sí,
It's the same.
más o menos.
Yeah, the water move. It's the same. So there is a reason why we move.
Ay. Ay, por Dios.
Where are you from?
Los Estados Unidos, Ohio.
Ohio.
Sí, pero en enero quiero vivir aquí. Whoa, holy shit. What's your name?
Fabio.
Fabio, nice to meet you. Con mucho gusto. Okay, Medellin. Let's go. Es muy tranquilo.
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna live here. It's okay, I'm only a little scared.
Don't worry. I have to win a little bit of altitude if you want to land. We can expect more or less 5 minutes. Okay.
What's up?
If you want to land
Look at that. That's where I live. Woof. Nobody's ever dropped the GoPro?
Yeah. That is the reason why we always attach.
Yep, there you go. If I drop it, I'm not getting it again. My hand is in the straps. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing.
¿Tú eres colombiano, sí?
Yeah, from Bogotá.
Ah, ok. Me gusta Bogotá mucho. Tengo muchos viajes ahí.
You are traveling or work?
I'm traveling while I work, but I also want to live here, so I'm coming back in January for 6 months. Yeah, for now I just have 4 more weeks, but... Damn, man, I was so scared. And now I'm like, baller shit.
Where do you work?
What?
Do you say?
Logistics.
Logistics.
De internacionales con carga de avión. Woo, shit. This is crazy. You know, it looks fast, but when you're up here, it's not that fast.
No.
Other people look like they're going really fast,
Yeah.
which is fine by me. I don't want to go
We are
fast.
The same speed, but it's like when you are in a car. You are on the blanket and you see the car, you go faster. Inside the car, you don't feel that.
Yeah.
Same.
What's our speed, you know?
More or less 40, 50 kilometers per hour.
40, 50, so 35 miles an hour.
Yeah, more or less.
This is the coolest shit I ever did. Look at all that. Holy shit. Let's go. I hope these videos are good because I have no idea what I'm looking at. Oh.
Okay, let me hold the camera for a second. I'm going to take something.